house is gone. Wow.
Thousands of people lost their homes, cars and many other assets when these natural disasters hit Libya. And the above scenes were recorded by cameras and compiled in this video, to let you see the whole scene of these disasters. The scene of a tornado attacking buildings was recorded by a resident. Everything was sucked into the air and scattered everywhere. The scene was truly chaotic.
ما شاء الله تبارك الرحمن. اليوم 14 رمضان 26 ابريل 2021. امطار العرض شمال المنطقه بفضل الله يا رب.
Natural disasters can be a picture of devastation, leaving a trail of destruction and despair. In Libya, recent flooding today plunged the country into chaos, with flash floods and landslides devastating landscapes across the city.
Da hinten sind die Mülltonnen unterwegs.
This video shows a car being pushed back by floodwaters captured on camera. The horrifying videos depict the terrifying force of nature as extreme weather unleashes its fury on towns and villages I didn't expect it.
لا 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 لا.
Accompanied by tornadoes and heavy rains, many houses had their roofs blown off and thousands of trees were broken. There was a power outage for many days due to the tornado breaking many power poles. If you find this video meaningful and informative, please click like to support Big Flood channel.
يا الله مثل الإعصار.
Disasters like these serve as a grim reminder of the unpredictability and severity of natural disasters. From flash floods and landslides to strong winds and tornadoes, they attack Libya without mercy. The giant wind swept through the streets with unstoppable force, leaving destruction in its wake. Roofs were torn off as if they were made of paper, and debris flew through the air like missiles. The storm's onslaught not only caused flash floods and landslides but also gusty winds and torrential rain. Trees were uprooted, buildings were torn apart, and streets were turned into raging torrents by the relentless onslaught of wind and rain.
Tá louco, velho. Nossa.
A chuva tá fazendo aqui, tem feijão e groselha. Caraca, negócio.
Meanwhile, heavy rain poured down non-stop, turning streets into rivers and fields into lakes. The pouring rain showed no signs of abating, adding to the chaos and misery of the situation. Rescue efforts were hampered by flooded roads, making it difficult for emergency services to reach those in need of help.
Tá ventania, ó, muito forte mesmo, tá vendo? Ó? Tem carnaíba, né? Ele viu? Olha as árvores como é que estão. O vento daqui deve estar uns 60 km.
See him here, man. See him here. See him here, man. Oh, shit.
Wala kera lipo babomba ni golina. Oh God.
Cocinetas arriba, ¿ves? Refrigeradores comienzan a sacar arriba.
And this is the scene where the rescue team is rescuing a victim who was swept away by floodwaters even while he was sitting on his car. Luckily the car got stuck on the bridge, otherwise I don't know what would have happened.
El modelo exitoso.
As floodwaters in Libya continue to rise and the storm shows no signs of abating, people can only huddle together, praying for the disaster to pass. Every clap of thunder and flash of lightning serves as a grim reminder of the raw power of nature and the fragility of humans before it.
上面2公分，哎，现在واحد
On August 30th, 20.
Что вообще, блин? Какой кошмар!
And just now is what Big Flood channel shows you about the panorama of the natural disaster taking place in Libya. If you find this video meaningful, don't forget to click the subscribe button to Big Flood channel so you can watch the channel's next videos every time they are published. Now, click on the suggested video at the end of this video to see similar videos.